Welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to one of the very less known place. It is called Varkala and it is in the state of Kerala. So we are guessing it will be very hot. It's not a guesswork, we know for sure it will be hot and also it might rain.
We are going to experience summer there because
correct.
In Bangalore we don't do it often.
Yes, so let's directly meet you in the bus. We are going towards Vagamon. There the pickup points are there. So we have boarded the bus. We have taken a seater bus, seater AC, and it will take around 12 hours to reach Kollam. So from there again we will take a train, which is around 30 minutes of a train ride. Then we will reach to our destination, which is Varkala. And we have our friends who are traveling with us, so we'll have fun.
Good morning guys. So we are crossing Kochi now and it's almost 6:30 in the morning. Sleepy heads.
So right now we are in Kollam. So we reached Kollam around now the time is 9:10. So there was a train from here for Varkala, but I think that has already went off. So the next train is at around 10. So let's see, we might have some breakfast from here and then we'll start towards Varkala. So the temperature is till now it is like hot only. Not so much humid, but I think as we go towards the beach it will be humid as well. So yeah, the ride was good, the bus was good. Let's see how the entire day span out. So welcome back to my channel, Turn Right. So guys, here is our train. So like after ages we are traveling through train. So how is the feeling?
It's awesome. It's awesome. I'm remembering my childhood.
Yeah. So it is like from here, from Kollam, the next stop is only Varkala. So around like half an hour it will take. So we'll reach there. So there are seats available, but we planned not to sit over there. We are standing next to the door and enjoying. Guys, so we have reached finally Varkala. So this is the station and these are our folks. So now like we'll be heading towards our hotel. So we are figuring out from which side we need to.
Where is the exit?
Where is the exit? Correct. So most probably that side. So let's. So we have just checked in. So this is the property we'll be staying in for our vacation. This is called Darshan. Dishadan. And let me just quickly show you. So we are just waiting when to jump into the pool because it's humid and I'm feeling it right now. But the location is very good, very quiet, and it is only 300 meter to the cliff. And the speciality of this place is like you have the cliff beaches, like you can look at the sea down from the cliff, and also there are some flea markets kind of thing. So we'll go there in some time. In search of food, we came till the Varkala Cliff beach. So these are some shops which are closed as of now. Maybe in the evening they'll open. But if you can see in front of me, that's the ocean.
It's blue or green?
Oh. So guys, along with this beach only there are a lot of restaurants and also some small shops of local craft and all. So now we are going to
Darjeeling Cafe.
a cafe called Darjeeling Cafe. So I see Rajdhani is also there, Hillview is there. So later, like from here we can see sunset very well, it seems. This is the beach again.
You just wanna hold it, don't wanna swim it over. It feels like you got it, you want your roller coaster. Don't ask me about my freedom, don't ask me about my wisdom. You want it, you need it, but why?
So we are back after a short nap, and so now we are going back towards the beach to see the sunset from there. And our friends, I think they are still taking a nap, like they are still sleeping. So we have informed them they'll be joining in some time. So
And we are all dressed in the little attires that we brought. All beach vibes going.
yes, so the plan is we'll be going there, we'll go down to the beach, sand beach itself, not on the cliff. And
No,
if
maybe we will watch the sunset from the cliff first, and once we
Yeah.
capture some good photos and videos of the sunset, then maybe we'll go down and explore the beach.
But on the way also there are a lot of shacks and hotels. Like if you see, this is this place, the property in front of it, all of them, you know, offers stay and all. If you come here, there will be multiple options to pre-book and come. Also, like if you're coming with a group of friends, then also you can come here and directly search for places to stay. This is Varkala beach. So
It's too crowded now in the evening.
yes, like I think the best time to come here is like around the sunrise. That time crowd will be also a little less and also much cooler than now.
But
Now it is like cold only, like it's pleasant. In the afternoon it was very hot, but now it is like very enjoyable. So if you see on the top of the cliff, there are a lot of you know, food junctions and all, restaurants and all, live music and everything, like small shops, as we already told you. Those are all on top of these cliffs. And down here is the sand beach.
You just wanna hold it, don't wanna swim it over. It feels like you got it, you want your roller coaster.
hi. So it's almost feeling like Goa here. We have come to Darjeeling Cafe, and this is how it looks.
কেমন লাগছে?
Good. Very good.
Don't ask me about my friends.